My personal reason why I started CFS Help was a vision just for you guys, because it'd probably be really helpful. The pain and suffering that I experienced going through this on my own when I was a teenager was so excruciatingly painful that the whole time, all I could think about is I don't want to let anyone else have to go through what I'm currently going through. And so that's how CFS Health was born, out of a vision to literally make sure no one else has to go through what I'm going through alone. And I want to give practical help because back then there was nothing. Very, very little practical help, especially online. And so that's what really helped me start this whole thing in the first place. And, vision creates action. If we don't have a vision, we just live life in a very mundane way. But if we have a vision, we're more inclined to wake up and do what we need to do that is in line with the vision in the first place. Now, the trick here is making sure that your vision is true for you. You don't just want to say something if it's not true. If it's not in line, if it's not congruent, it's not going to work, right? Now, of course, like I said, you can have a big long-term vision. You can have a short-term vision. You can have a mid-term vision. What we do inside our program is we have a values aligned program. We distribute this out after the 6 months with our members because we want to make sure that the first 6 months is all about foundation and building a solid baseline that they can build their capacity. But what tends to happen around the 6 to 9 month mark inside our program, most of our members get to the point where it's okay, cool, I'm getting better, I'm feeling much better, my symptoms are subsiding, I don't really experience that anymore for a lot. And then they go, what do I do now? I'm stuck because now I can start to live again, but I don't know how to live again. I don't know what to do. I don't know why I want to do it, where I want to be, what I want to be doing. And so we help them through the Values Aligned program, which they get access to straight away, which they can then figure out, one, what do they value? And this can be for you too. What do you value? What's important to you? Now, I'm not talking about the things like honesty, trust, respect. They're core values for you, but what are your life values? What's important to you? Whether that's family, relationships, money, career, vocation, it could be hobbies, spirituality. There's a whole list of things. And so we help you identify what your values are, and then we create a towards motivation.